Hello! So hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Cocktail Hammer. We are making drinks.
Yep, and we just finished making the Negroni cocktail, so now we're gonna make its cousin, the Boulevardier.
Awesome. Do you have history to tell me about the Boulevardier?
Yeah, so the Boulevardier is the French cousin to the Negroni. They're used about the same, as in they're in equal parts cocktail. You're gonna need most of the same ingredients. It's cousin.
Unbelievable. People throwing plates, plastic plates from their windows, like all the way from like the 30th floor or something.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Don't litter, guys. Sorry about
that. So, the same ingredients, except the only difference is that the Negroni uses gin and the Boulevardier uses whiskey. Most likely rye or bourbon.
Okay. So one. So it's one whiskey, one Campari, and one vermouth.
Yep, correct. All right, so let's get right into it.
So the first thing that we're gonna need is
1 ice cube in each glass. Perfect.
Hope that looked as cool as I think it did.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna want is 1 ounce of Campari.
All right, Campari, got it. You do that.
Yeah.
All right, so which whiskey are we going to use?
All right, so the whiskey that we're gonna use is Bulleit Bourbon, all right? Bulleit Bourbon is one of those whiskeys that really adds...
Bulleit Bourbon is awesome.
Yeah,
we love
Bulleit Bourbon's
it,
awesome.
And that's why we're using it.
That's what I'm getting.
Damn it!
Bulleit Bourbon's one of those whiskeys that adds layers of complexity to the Boulevardier. Now, if I'm not mistaken, Boulevardier translates somewhat to man who walks around town, socialite.
Boulevardier.
Boulevardier, yeah. Don't say Boulevardier.
Yeah. Boulevardier.
Exactly. Now, we're pouring in the sweet vermouth.
Le vermouth dulce. Dulce? How do you say it? I'm sure it's on this bottle somewhere.
All right, and then finally we're going to use the Bulleit Bourbon to top it off. I usually like to put my spirits in last.
Now this, wait, it's Italian. Martini Rose is Italian.
Oh yeah, all right. So you said that you had Dolan over here, Dolan Sweet Vermouth. So Dolan is French, Martini Rossi is Italian.
Okay, so this should say dulce somewhere for sweet in French. I just want to confirm this.
Well, they use the word rouge or rouge.
Rouge. Well, that's red. That's just red. Not sweet.
Moulin Rouge. So, all right, so grab that Bulleit Bourbon.
Wink, wink, nudge. Where is it? No, we did Hudson. Oh
no,
it's right behind.
Grab that Bulleit Bourbon.
All right. All right.
All right. So we got our Bulleit. All right. Now we're gonna put how many inside that
1 ounce?
Boulevardier?
Because it's a 1 to 1 to 1. So
exactly.
I'll just go. That's a good spot. So now, do you like using a pourer? Now, I enjoy using these, but I think it just gets in the way. Like, it's more hassle to go through the whole thing and then pour. They have it at the bars, of course, because they can't open them and close them, open them and close them all the time, so just leave them right
it's
on.
It's also accurate release. So when you're at a bar, you don't want to gently figure out how you can pour that into your jigger. You just want it
be quick and done. So that's why we're not using this. All right, so we got 1 and 1 and 1, yeah?
All right.
Okay.
So now we stir.
How long do you think? How long is it recommended to stir for?
I'd probably say about 15 seconds.
Okay. I feel like it depends on what you're doing because stirring dilutes.
Stirring dilutes, but with this one, you necessarily want a little bit of dilution.
All right, there, I'm done.
All right, cool. And that's your Boulevardier. So
Boulevardier.
So what taste difference do you get from that to
I immediately.
the Negroni?
Oh, that's interesting. Wait.
Yeah.
I taste gin.
You're tasting gin?
There's no gin in here. It's just my head playing with me, I'm sure.
Yeah. It should be sweeter. So the Boulevardier, people like that because it's a little bit sweeter.
Well, we're gonna taste test this right now. Interesting. Very interesting. This feels heavier. So the Boulevardier feels heavier to me.
Okay, heavier.
And the Negroni feels lighter and more spritzier.
Okay, cool.
I think that's accurate.
And which one do you like more?
To be honest, right now I'm going for the Negroni.
And I'm more of a fan of the Boulevardier.
Very cool.
Yeah. Actually, the Negroni and the Boulevardier were popular in Europe, but they actually weren't very popular. It took time for it to become popular here in America. People weren't used to that bitter taste. One time I had someone ask me, what do you mean by bitter when it comes to the Negroni and the Boulevardier? That's gonna come from the Campari. All right, the Campari has this kind of bitter orange taste that you get maybe if you...
I love it.
Yeah. It's hard to describe, but now Americans definitely indulge that kind of bitterness that comes with the Campari, the Boulevardier, and it's become one of the most popular drinks, I would say, in every bar across America. All right, show us how you do that lemon peel. It's actually called a lemon coin. All right, I want that on the record. All right, yeah, let's check it out.
Squeeze to take out those oils.
Oh, you love those oils.
Oh, they look so good. Give it a and then Kobe it. Well, there it is. Yeah, we did it in the first try. First shot. Nice.
How do you do that? That's
I know, it's amazing. I'm really good at that
stuff. On the first shot. Well, if you like this video, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Cocktail Hammer. Check out our website, cocktailhammer.com. Both of the recipes are on the website.
Indeed.
And we'll see you there soon.
So thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time.